tax credits in just 30 days. Tens of millions of Americans are about to experience dramatically increased health care costs because of the Republican refusal to extend the Affordable Care Act tax credits. From the very beginning of this presidency, Republican control of the House and the Senate, as well as the administration, has been a disaster for the American people. These extremists promised all last year that costs were going to go down on day one. Costs haven't gone down in America. Costs have gone up. The Trump tariffs are increasing expenses on everyday Americans by thousands of dollars per year. Housing costs are out of control. Grocery costs are out of control. Child care costs are out of control. Electricity bills are through the roof. And now Republicans refuse to do a thing to prevent health care costs from dramatically increasing in a way that will deprive tens of millions of Americans of the ability to go see a doctor when they need one. Republicans have done nothing over the last several months to address the health care crisis that they have created. And they continue to refuse to take yes for an answer. Democrats have an active discharge petition, and all we need are a handful of House Republicans to join us. And we can trigger an up or down vote on a 3-year extension of the Affordable Care Act tax credits to save the health care of the American people. In every single state in this country, and protect the health care of people who these so-called Republican members allegedly represent, but who have failed to do a single thing to make their life better. Questions?
Leader Jeffries, your Senate Democrat colleagues, they've previously expressed openness to reforming the credits, working through differences. Why propose a 3-year clean extension?
Time has run out on Republican inaction. They have done nothing over the last 60 days but stumble, fumble, and bumble as it relates to addressing the health care crisis that they've created. Understand that this year, House Republicans enacted the largest cut to Medicaid in American history. These extremists have thrown 14 million people off of Medicaid. At the same period of time, hospitals, nursing homes, and community-based health centers are closing all throughout the country, including in rural America, because of what Republicans have done in their one big ugly bill. They've launched an unprecedented assault on the Centers for Disease Control and the National Institute of Health, jeopardizing the well-being of the American people. Vaccines are increasingly unavailable in the United States of America. Children are getting sick unnecessarily all across the country. And now on top of all of that, that parade of horribles, Republicans refuse to extend the Affordable Care Act tax credits, which are going to expire this month. Time has run out on Republicans playing partisan games. We have a discharge petition that if it received an up or down vote in the House of Representatives, we are confident will pass. But obviously Mike Johnson has zero interest in protecting the health care of the American people. Instead, these extremists are gutting the health care of the people that they represent, including in the state of Louisiana.
Subscribe to Oneindia and never miss an update. Download the Oneindia app now.